Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a machine that's not just fast, it's audacious. The 2024 Audi RS7 by MANSORY. This isn't your average RS7, folks. MANSORY has taken this already insane sports car and injected it with a potent dose of steroids, turning it into a fire-breathing monster that'll have you questioning the laws of physics. Exterior design. Just look at it. The MANSORY RS7 is an explosion of sculpted carbon fiber, sharp angles, and menacing presence. The front bumper is a masterclass in aerodynamic aggression, with massive air intakes that practically inhale the air around it. The wide fenders bulge outwards, housing enormous alloy wheels that barely contain the beast within. And then there's that wing, a defiant statement of intent that screams, "I will not be ignored." Performance power. But the real magic lies under the hood. MANSORY hasn't just tweaked the engine, they've completely rebuilt it. Bigger turbos, a high-performance exhaust, and a meticulously tuned ECU have unleashed a monstrous 780 horsepower and 1,000 Nm of torque that's enough to launch this rocket from 0 to 100 km/h in a mind-bending 3 seconds, and keep it hurtling towards a top speed of 320 km/h. Trust me, the feeling of being pinned to your seat as the world blurs past is something you won't forget. Interior design luxury. But the MANSORY RS7 isn't just about brute force. It's a luxurious cocoon that pampers you even as you're pushing the limits. The finest leathers and Alcantara swathe the interior, adorned with custom stitching and MANSORY's signature diamond pattern. The infotainment system is cutting edge, and the supportive bucket seats hug you like a fighter jet cockpit. It's a place where performance and comfort collide in a beautiful symphony of speed and sophistication. So, what do you guys think? Is the MANSORY RS7 the ultimate expression of automotive insanity, or just a bit too much? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic car content. Until next time, stay safe and keep it sideways.